What's up, old school homies? Today I found some very small birds that fell out of their nest, and this happens a lot during the spring. And it's really sad because it's such a hot day. It's probably 110 degrees out, and these birds, there's one right here. Look at that poor little guy. Hi buddy, did you fall out of your nest? So sad, right? This one probably already died. Yeah, he looks like, oh, he's barely alive. Let's see, there's actually a couple more cries I could hear from over here. There's one. And I'm gonna show you guys what to do in this situation. It could have been that the gardeners were trimming at the trees, or here's another one. That's a sparrow. So we gotta pick these guys up, and we're gonna put them in this hat as a nest, and then with this hat we're gonna put some straw in it, or some whatever's around here. We're gonna make a fake nest, and then we're gonna put this nest in the tree with some water, and then leave them alone, and hopefully the parents will come back and start feeding them again.